Hello, welcome to Science Chomp. Today I'm going to be talking to you about physical properties of matter. Now, a physical property is simply a property that can be determined without changing the identity of the matter in question. For example, if I have a piece of chalk and I want to find out something about it, it's not going to suddenly turn into something else, like for example carbon dioxide and water. If that was to happen, it wouldn't be a physical property, it would be a chemical one. So, what kinds of things can we find out about a piece of chalk without changing it into anything else? Well, for example, for starters rather, we can find out the length of it, okay, and the volume. We can put it on some scales and find out the mass. So none of these things will change it. What other things can we do? We can pass electricity through it to see how well it conducts electricity. We can see how well it conducts heat. We can find out its mass to volume ratio, which is otherwise known as density. So you can find out all sorts of things about something without changing it at all, literally putting a ruler to it or put it on some scales, something like that. So anyway, I've got this thing here, this chart, and I've split it up into two things, size dependent and size independent. So size-dependent physical properties are properties that change if you change the size of the piece of matter that you're looking at. For example, I've got two pieces of chalk here, this one and this one. They're identical except this one is bigger. Okay, so this one is going to have a bigger length, a bigger volume, a bigger mass, this kind of thing, right? But things that don't change are things like the melting point, the boiling point, things like that. So anyway, size dependent, we've got things like mass, volume, what else? Mass, volume, length. Okay, let's think up some size independent ones. So these are things which don't change when you change the size. And we've got density, melting point, boiling point, conductivity. Okay, also here we can have shape. Almost forgot about that one. And it's as simple as that, dead easy. Hope it comes in useful. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Hello, welcome to Science Chomp. Today I'm going to be talking to you about physical properties of matter. Now, a physical property, well,